paper was overall good, not that tough, and quant was comparatively easy, and decision making was also easy. English was moderate, and GK was moderate. GK questions were comparatively tough from the last year, and in decision making they were sitters. Actually, decision making was the easiest of all.
It was quite tough, but math section was surprisingly easier than I had perceived. But English was quite lengthy. The one or two of the passages were quite difficult. Like I wasted a lot of time on that. So that was something that I wish that I could have done differently. But the exam is all about decision making, and you have to be very smart when you're doing it. And the decision making aspect was fine. So overall, GK was quite weird, but I expected it to be weird because I didn't study that much for it. And the passage was very basic. I mean, the last year passage was very interesting. So considering that, I was expecting something a lot more interesting this time, but it was quite something not very innovative, something that you.
The paper was comparatively easy. Talk about the last year. And the essay topic was very easy and not abstract this time, and included more like technology and all. So that was fine for me.
The paper was on expected lines. It was very similar. I found it very similar to last year. I don't think there was a considerable reduction in the difficulty level. Quant and DM was okay, maybe slightly easy, but Quant and English were reasonably difficult. GK was easy. I mean, I found it easier than IFT and SNAP, and essay topic was also very general, so it should not have been a big deal to anyone.
It was quite easy. It was not just like tough, but I have attempted all the questions of GK, and yeah, let's hope for best.
It was okay. The English was really tricky, sort of. The decision-making things, they were lengthy passages.
I would say the same.
DI was tricky, no. It includes like lengthy passages, sort of things. And it's decision-making. There was just two charts with the insufficient sort of information.
Were meticulous, but the portion was quite less. There were only two comprehensions on DI. So I was expecting more of it.
It was like current affairs.
It was mostly current affairs and little bit of trivia to movies, question and all that. It was okay.